Hey everyone, this is Aman. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create a Facebook ad account using Facebook Business Manager. So first of all, let me make it clear. There are basically two steps. First of all, you have to create a Facebook business account, and in that you have to create a Facebook ads account. Very simple. You just have to, without any further ado, let's just dive into the process. So the very first thing is that you have to go to the business.facebook.com and I've already created my ad account. I'm just gonna log in. In your case, you're gonna click on create account and fill in all the details or whatever detail they will ask for and just create a new account. Okay. So I'm just gonna log into my account. Okay. So as you can see, I have filled in all my Facebook account details, whichever Facebook account I have, and I've logged into my account. When you're creating your account, you just also have to just log in, put your Facebook details and your name and all that stuff, simple details. And I've already done that, so I've already created the account. So this is my business account. You should understand one thing. You can create multiple business accounts in Facebook Business Manager, and you can add multiple Facebook accounts to that. Okay, so it depends on you. What is your goal? You can add multiple accounts. See, I have two accounts. For one is my personal ad account and one is which I've created like this. Okay, so I'm just gonna click on this. When I click on this, I will reach this page. It will show me a page like this. This is the home page of my Facebook Business Manager. Okay. Now, in order to create your ad account, you have to create an ad account separately. All you have to do is you just have to go to business settings. Click on business settings. Okay. So once we click on business settings, we will see a page like this. And in this, you just have to click on add accounts. And as you can see, I've already added an ad account. In your case, you have to click on add and add an ad account and just log in with your Facebook details. Okay. And you will create a new account. I've already added an ad account, so I cannot add any further ad accounts. So you can see this is my ad account and this is how it will look once you add your ad account. Okay. After adding your ad account, the next step you have to do, make sure you have connected a page to your ad account. Okay. Click on this pages and just click on add and add a new page. Okay, because adding a Facebook page is mandatory, not your Facebook profile. Create a new Facebook page. Okay, this is my Facebook page and I've attached this Facebook page to my this digital marketing courses ad account. Okay, so once you have created your ad account, you'll see something like this. You'll see a page like this, and in order to set up and start your first ad, you just have to click on open in ad manager. So before doing anything or starting with the ad setup, first of all, we will add the payment method, because without adding payment method, your ad won't be able to go live once you run the Facebook ad. So after creating your ad account, you have to add the payment method. Okay. So in order to add the payment method, it's very simple. You have to do the same thing. You have to click on open in ad manager. And once it has opened, you just have to click on, wait, it's just loading. Yeah, click on business tools and click on billing. So once you click on billing, it will show a page like this, and then you have to click on payment settings. And once you click on payment settings, it will show another page like this. In this, you can just add your new payment. So this account I just created this morning, so I haven't added any payment method. So I also have to add a new payment method in this. The same way you can also click on add payment method and just uh, put in your debit card or credit card details. Okay, so once you have put in all your card details, just click on continue. And I'm not gonna do it in front of you because I'll do it later on. You just have to do it and click on continue. Okay, so in some cases your card will not be accepted. In that case you have to try with a different card, or just try with the credit card, because Facebook doesn't accept some type of card. So it might be a case that it won't accept your card. In that case, just change your card and try with a different card. Okay, so this is how we add the payment method. Once you have added the payment method, let's get back to the business page. This is our business page, business account page, and this is our ad account page. And now, after you have set up all the things, you have set up the payment method. The next step for you is that you have to create. Now we are going to start with setting up our first Facebook ad. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly step by process how you set up your first Facebook ad and get it live and running. Okay, so before doing anything, I prefer that you create your audience. For me, for being a beginner, I give you a suggestion that before setting up anything, before starting an ad, just create an audience. Okay, so click on business settings and just click on audiences. Okay, so being a beginner, I suggest you guys create at least 4 to 5 different types of audience. And when you're a beginner, there's a suggestion for you guys that what you do is that just go ahead and choose run the ad in your own city. Okay, so for example, this is the audience which I already created. I'm going to just delete this audience and I'm going to create a few new audiences. Okay, so create a custom audience. Okay, so it's saying that use sources, all that stuff. You don't have to, you know, to wait. So yeah, so this is how you create a new audience, and just click on create a saved audience and click on create new audience. Okay, so once you have just click on audience name and click on create new. Or what you can do, you can just skip this process and do it later on. Okay, because the interface has changed, and it keeps on changing and it's making a lot of confusion. Okay, we're going to create the audience when we create the ad. So let's just dive into the process of creation of ad. Okay, so I'm going to just click on this and click on ad. So I just directly went into the ad manager. Let's just close it. Yes. So now once you come into your ads manager, how you come into your manager, I'll quickly show you. I didn't show you that, so I'll quickly go back and show you again. You have to go to your home page of your Facebook business account, whichever you have created, like this one. Yeah, this is my ad account. This is my business account. And now all I have to do is that I have to click on business settings. So once I reach this page, this is the main page of my Facebook business account, and I just have to click on add account. And once I reach this page, I just have to click on open in ad. And now we're gonna set up our first Facebook ad. Okay, so depending upon what is your end goal, you can choose what type of ad you have to run, and you'll see a page like this, and you just have to click on create. So now, depending upon what is your end goal, for example, if you want to run an awareness campaign, You just have to let people know about your brand, whatever that your brand is new, you're new in the market. For example, you open a new restaurant or something like that. Then you have to run an awareness campaign. The same way you can run a reach campaign. Reach campaign, if you want to maximize your reach, you have to show your ad to maximum number of people. Then you run a reach campaign. And consideration means whenever you want to want the audience to take some action. Okay, so there are different kind of area of consideration. One is traffic, when you have to send people to your website or your blog, then you run a traffic campaign. When you want to send a lot of traffic to the website or blog, then engagement, when you want people to engage with your post, Facebook ad post or whichever you shared. If you want people to like and comment on your post, this is engagement ad. App install, if you want people to install whatever app you're sharing. Video views, if you want more video views. Lead generation, this is what which we're going to do. If you want to generate leads for your digital product or service or anything you're going to sell, any product or service you're going to sell, if you want to generate leads for that, you want to take the contact information and later on you can pitch your sales or with email marketing or any other medium to those people. uh, that is generating leads. So for that, we're going to run a lead generation campaign. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to go ahead with a lead generation campaign. Okay, then there are a different campaign for conversion. This is for if you want to uh, run campaign for sales. You're selling a product or service and you want to send traffic to your sales page and track your conversion, that if the product is selling or not. How to track all these things. There was an audio issue, so really sorry for that. So how to track all these things? You can use Facebook tricks. We use Facebook Pixel. How to track that? I'm going to make a separate video and share the link in description. How to install Facebook tracking pixel in your Facebook ad account. Okay. So once we have set up everything, we're just gonna choose lead generation. And once we choose lead generation, we just have to choose our ad spend limit for the day, and I'm gonna keep it to 1000. I'm gonna click on continue. And then you just have to make sure that you have connected a page, and whatever page, if you have connected more than one pages, you can change the page. As I've connected only one page, I'm gonna just choose the page. It is already automatically chosen, and just uh, name the ad set whatever you want to name it. For example, I will name it DM bundle, and then I'm going to proceed. Now I'm going to create a new audience. Okay, and I'm just going to click on. I'm going to edit the other. So I just suggest you guys that when you're a beginner, go ahead. Your first audience should be somewhere across 100,000. Okay, and run the ad. Try to run the ad in your own city. If there's a metro city and you feel that your target audience is present in your city, so go ahead with your own city. For example, I live in Lucknow, so I will choose Lucknow. Okay, so this is where my first audience is, and it's not what the size I want. It's not 100K. So I'll do is that, see, for example, the Lucknow is the location, and I want corporate people, corporate people to be my audience. Because I'm sharing a digital marketing course, and I feel that my target audience, corporate people, are also present in my target audience. Okay, I'm just name it corporate, simple. And now I've already selected the location, and now I'll choose the age category, whatever is your age category. For example, I'm 23 years old, so I'm not going to choose 23 because 23-year-old people are not very less. It's a very less chance they're into corporate. So they're mostly, as I'm very young, so I'm going to choose from 25 to 35, somewhere between this. Yes. and I'm going to choose all genders, and now click on advanced options. And in order to get a detailed targeting, you can just choose, for example, if you want to show your ad to corporate people, then I'll what corporate companies are present in my city. So for example, TCS is present in my city. I'm going to choose TCS. And what else? I'm just thinking about it. What else companies are present? HCL. And then, because we don't have a lot of industries in Lucknow, so I'm just gonna see suggestions. HCL Infosystems, then Tata Consultancy Services, then Infosys, then we have Tech Mahindra, then we have, because these companies, HP is also, I think so, present. Then we have Intel, Mindra, Lulad, and all that stuff. Okay, so not a lot of industries in present in this my city. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add one more city, which is Delhi. Okay, because I've also been in Delhi, so I'm gonna even expand the audience. Now in Delhi, the age is same, and as you can see, potential reach is 260,000 people. So it has increased. I'm gonna remove Delhi. Let me see, 35,000. Okay, so let's just go ahead with 35,000. Or what we can do, we can add Delhi also, and let's see then what is the reach. 260,000. It has increased a little bit. So let's just go with this audience, 260,000. Okay. And I suggest you that go with a audience which is smaller when you're starting out. So let's just delete this because we want to go with the smaller 35,000 people. Okay. So now we have saved this audience. We click on save this audience because we have to save this audience for later. Click on save audience and just click on continue. Now this is the other category, other details of the ad. This is the next setup. First we have done the campaign setup, then we have done the ad setup. Now we have to set up the ad. And the very first part is what kind of ad we have to run: single image or video ad, or carousel ad. You can also go for carousel ad, but in this case I'm going to use single video or image ad. And I'll just remove the image because I'll just run a plain text ad. Okay. So primary text, for example. So this is my primary task, and I'll just write my, this is the headline which I can choose. Or for example, if I want to generate lead for a webinar, okay. So that webinar, I'm just pitching for webinar in which I want to share our digital marketing course for beginners. Okay. So the headline will be join live webinar now. Okay. And description, I can include, And now I'm gonna just quickly, the ad copy matters or not. If you have a good copywriting skills, you can create a good ad copy. And I'm not gonna go ahead and write the complete ad copy because you can do it for yourself, whatever kind of ad copy you want to run. And I suggest, the best type of ad copy which works and which I suggest to you as a beginner. First of all, you can go ahead with a video ad, one with a video ad, or if you're not good with videos, you can go ahead with with the ad which gives out directly the advantages. Okay. First, the heading is very important. Your heading should be very catchy, it should be very specific, and it should be a question. Okay. Learn how to earn 60,000 to 1 lakh a month using online marketing in 30 days. Okay, it's very specific. I've shared exactly how much you can earn and using what you can earn and how much time you can learn that. Okay, and then I'll share the main benefits. This is called a benefit driven ad. What you will learn. Very simple. Okay, and this now I'm going to share various benefits. So these are the benefits. I can share more benefits, 4 5 benefits, and then I can just at last I can just click on call to action and share a link as well. Okay, join live webinar now. Click here. Yeah. So once you have created the ad, I'll just quickly share the link of the landing page because I'm generating leads for the webinar. And I'll also share the landing page link here also, display link, whatever link I have to share. And I can also, you know, change whatever I want to subscribe, apply, learn more. You know what works the best? Mostly learn more works the best, or apply now also works well. And I can also go ahead and if I don't want to share any landing page, I can also there's a new feature. Facebook just added this feature. It has added instant form. You can just collect the information right away on Facebook. So it's a very good feature. You can go ahead and explore that feature as well. But I'm not going to do that because I want to track my leads. So I'll just put on the link of the landing page here, and the ad is already ready. And then just click on refresh preview, and let's see how our ad looks like. We're going to see our ad later on. Okay. So as of now, we're not using any form or something like that, and you can click on Facebook Pixel and how to once you have added Facebook Pixel to your website or your landing page, you can just switch on the Facebook Pixel and you can track your conversions. You can track your leads. Okay. How to install Facebook Pixel? I'm going to be sharing in a different tutorial, and the link I'm going to be sharing in the description of this video. So once you have set up the Facebook pixel, you can check this box also. Just check this box and just click on confirm. Once you confirm, you just have to, it will ask you for the payment details if you haven't added it, and just add the payment details and start the ad. Okay, that's it. This is how you run your first ad or run your first lead generation ad. Nothing else than that. Okay, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope it was helpful. If you find this video helpful, click like and please subscribe for more in-depth tutorials like this. I'll be sharing a lot of tutorials in digital marketing. A lot of free value is going to come in this channel. So don't forget to subscribe the channel and like this video. And if you have any question, just put your comment. I'll try to answer each and every comment which you put. Okay. Thank you so much, guys.